Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about household cleaning products. Now, or I should say supplies. As anyone who pays attention to the seasons and stuff realize that certain seasons, certain things have an uptick as far as affecting us health-wise. You know, you have with the flu season, cold season, the allergy season. Well, you need to keep your house clean so that you don't get affected adversely by these seasons. But then there's other things too that you need to worry about keeping clean. One of the things that we do in the kitchen here to help keep the kitchen clean, especially when frying foods and stuff, or cooking hamburgers and anything that has any type of food that will splatter, my wife loves the tub of towels because it really cuts the grease and stuff off of the countertops and around the stove, and so that's just one of the ones. Then we also use the Clorox sanitation wipes to clean stuff, you know, just clean everything, keep the surfaces clean and safe, so that when the grandkids are around going or whatever they're doing and they start touching everything around the house, we can, all right, let's get rid of all the germs. So I'm sorry, but you know, so just thinking about what my grandsons do, you know, out there, just trying to teach them not to do stuff, but they go along and they touch everything. So, you know, you need to think about cleaning products, sanitation products, you know, keep the house as clean and safe as you can so you don't get sick. All right? So, remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. And what skill? Well, that's a whole nother video. But learn a new skill and try growing some more food. If you have an outdoor garden and you might want to think about expanding it. If you're in an area like I am where it's snow outside still, have you thought about growing indoors? Prices on food are getting really high.